Hi friends, my name is Akil Ahmed, and in this particular video I will show you how to create the resource group, storage accounts, containers and blobs in the Microsoft Azure portal, and then how to upload files to the Microsoft Azure blob. So first of all, I will briefly tell you about these terms, and then we will practically see how we can deal with those terms and then how we can create these objects. So the first one is the resource group. So for example, if you are working on a particular project, so in a particular project there can be some flat files or databases, and there can be some scripts or some folders. So all similar kind of objects that relates to a particular project or a particular solution should reside in a particular resource group. So you can think of resource group a kind of container that can hold similar type of data for a particular purpose. So resource group will be situated in a particular location, and you can put all related data into that particular resource group. The second term that we are going to deal with is the storage account. So an storage account actually provides a unique namespace to store your Azure data objects. So if you have some data that you want to store, so first you should create a resource group, then you should create a storage account, and then you need to store all your data inside a storage account. So even you cannot directly put the data in the storage account, you need to further create some other objects as well. So the third one is the container. So this particular object is used to group different types of blobs into a particular group. So the blobs actually contains the data. So to group related blobs you need the container. So a particular storage account can have unlimited number of containers, and a blob must be residing in a particular container. And then the last one is the blob. So blob are basically binary large objects. So these are the objects those store different kinds of data, like either binary data or text data. So binary data can be like audio file, video file or image file. So you can put all your data in a binary large objects. So and then we will upload some files to the binary large objects. So let's see how we can do that. So the first one is the resource group. So to create the resource group, you can see that we in the left blade we have a resource group. So just click on the resource group and you should see the currently available resource group. So the location of a resource group, you can see that this particular resource group is situated in the West US, and another one is situated in the East US. So while creating the resource group, you can provide the location of a particular resource group. Okay, so to create a resource group, click on the add button, and then we need to provide some details, and we should be able to create a resource group. So let's name our resource group as learn SSIS, and the subscription will be the default one, and the resource group location for this particular example I am choosing the West US. So click on the create. So this should create a new resource group, learn SSIS. So we just got a notification that the resource group has been created. So just refresh the resource groups and you should see the new resource group, learn SSIS here. Okay, this is the resource group that just got created. Okay, and then to create the storage accounts, we just need to type here storage accounts classic, and just click on this. So right now you can see that currently we have two storage accounts. So to create a new storage account, click add button, and then here we need to provide the name of the storage account. So maybe we can name it as learn SSIS. Okay, and then the deployment model will be classic, and the replication, it will be locally redundant storage. So basically what it is mean is that locally redundant storage provides a way that it can make 3 copies of your data, and then it can put all data in a particular location in a particular data center. In the case of hardware failure, it can recover your data Zone redundant storage also keeps 3 copies of your data, and it can put either in a single region or in 2 regions. So the geo redundant storage provides 6 copies. It keeps 6 copies of your data and in 2 different regions. So for example, if hardware got filled in a particular region, then you can recover your data from the another region. Read access geo redundant storage also keeps your data in 2 different regions, and in the secondary region you can have read access to your data. In this particular case, I'm going to use the locally redundant storage, and then I choose the subscription, and let's use the resource group that we just created, learn SSIS, and the location will be West US as well, because the location in the learn SSIS was the West US. So click create. So it should create an storage account with the name learn SSIS. Okay, so the deployment has been started, and you should see a success notification here once the deployment will be done. So the storage account has been created. Now click on the refresh. So you can see that we got a new learn SSIS storage account here. So click on learn SSIS storage accounts, and you should see its properties. So we have different options here: blobs, binary large objects. So click on this. Here at this location you can see the list of available containers and blobs. So to create a new container, click on the plus button. So name the container as maybe test cont, and the access type will be container. Click OK. So it has created a container named test cont, and the access type is the container, and you can also create the blob at the same location as well. So to create a particular blob, click the plus button, and maybe you can name it as test blob, and the access type is blob. Click OK. So now we have a container, and then we have a blob here. So let's upload some data into this particular blob. So to upload a particular file, simply click on the upload button and then choose the file from here. So for example, I want to upload some CSV file, customer1.csv. So click open, and then from the block size, let it to default, then click on the upload button. So it should upload the file. Okay, so it has uploaded the customer1.csv file to your Azure storage. Okay, so you can download the file as well. So this was like how you can use the Microsoft Azure portal to create the resource group, storage accounts, blobs, containers, and how to upload data to the Azure blob. Thanks guys for watching the video, and if you like the video, then please click the like button and do subscribe to our channel to see more videos on SSIS and related technologies. Thank you.